I look like a boy. Okay. Okay, we just got back from the park.
Yeah.
And now he's gonna do my makeup. Okay, so.
I'll open that for you. Mama?
So you can take from there. Well, I'll take it. Okay, and now you put it on my face. Do you just want to stand up or?
You put it right there?
You put it everywhere on my face, okay?
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
This side.
This. And can you put it like, you need on my forehead and my nose. Next. Can you put a little bit of this on?
Yeah. Where you put it?
Can you put some on my forehead?
No. Where you put it?
I think just under my eyes a little bit. Okay.
How do you get it?
Other one. That's okay. Here. Okay, that's good. Now can you blend it in with that?
Mama, I want to do it like there.
Okay.
Right there. The other one.
Does it look good?
Yeah. Not there yet. Now,
I feel like it's in my
I
eye.
want to do.
It's definitely in my eye.
I want to do this one. Your turn. Your turn.
Do you want to use some bronzer?
Yeah. I'll put it right there.
And then where are you going to put that?
I'll put it. Where you put it?
Where do you want to put it?
On the banana.
On my lips?
Yeah.
What about like my cheeks?
The mouth down here.
Looks really good. Oh, more? Okay.
Mama, you want to see it on a man?
I would love to see you. Oh, thank you. Okay, can you put some blush on my cheeks?
This one?
Sure. Oh yeah, she's pigmented, so it's okay. Yeah, that's good. That's plenty.
Wait, Mama.
Yeah,
You like it?
I do. I love it.
Mama, I don't want to put makeup on
Okay.
it.
You want to do my lips
Yeah.
first? Okay. Okay. Let's do.
Yes! Yes!
You're excited.
Do I mount that? No. this. Mama, now I want to do it right there.
There's some fun colors. Okay.
That purple right there.
It is purple.
I want to do purple.
Okay. We're dipping into
Where you put it?
my eyes.
What rainbow?
It looks like a rainbow.
Yeah, the rainbow.
Thank you.
No. The rainbow.
What color do you want?
I want.
That one is so pretty. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay.
Wow. Mama.
Do you love it?
They're not rainbow anymore. You like it?
I love it. Don't press too hard. No, look, see.
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
You like it?
I do.
Well,
Oh, we need some highlight.
Juanita.
This is like glitter for my cheeks.
Oh, you see.
My cheekies.
Yeah. Okay.
And like choose a color. Yeah.
What's that one?
Yeah, that's good. And then you just put it on my cheeks.
Why are you put on your cheek?
So I can glow.
No, that one. Oh, I forgot to do that.
Oh yeah.
I make it rainbow to you.
Thank you. Do I look pretty? Should we do liquid eyeliner?
Yeah.
Okay, so this goes like on my eyes like this. Okay.
Mama.
You draw a line.
Oh,
Draw a line on my eyes.
I don't want to stop this soon.
You might. Are you drawing a picture? Polka dots? Did you draw a smiley face?
Yeah.
Is that good? Or do you want more?
I want more. Yeah.
Do you want to do my eyebrows?
Yeah. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Eyebrow, Mama.
So you're just gonna put this in here and then put it on my eyebrows, okay?
Hey. That's a minute.
Yeah, that's probably good.
There.
Oh, my eyebrows. My eyebrows are right here.
Uh,
They're the hairy things. Oh, you have to hold my nose?
yeah. Almost done.
My eyes.
I'm gonna here.
Oh, eyelashes?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna do like the parts that I've like cut off. So let me put a little glue on here for you. Grab the lash. Careful, because there's glue.
Now we're there.
That's glue. Just put it on my lash.
Now the.
Go like that.
Yep. The look.
Looks good. Did I fix it or
Yeah.
did I ruin it?
No. Thank you to make a.
You're welcome.
Ah.
You know this is my job.
Yeah.
I do people's makeup.
Yeah. And put eye off and do the next one.
Yep.
Yeah. Ta-da.
Pretty good.
That.
And spray some of this on my face.
I want to.
Yeah. Spray some on my face. You might want to use 2 hands. So it'll help you. Okay. Not too close, just like far away. You can do 2 hands. There you go. Oh, gotta take it out. Double parties? No.
Dot. 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 Okay.
Should we show Daddy?
Ta-da!
Wow. It looks good.
You like it?
I did mom.
I love the double brow.
It looks good. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.